Hello everyone and welcome to the 9th match in round 1 of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's the number 6 seed Winward Road Primary from Kingston up against Our Lady from the Angels Prep from St. Andrew. I'm your host Sheldon Reed and the action begins right now. So let's jump right in. In section 1, questions will be asked alternately, and each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Winward Road Primary won. They decided that Our Lady of the Angels Prep should play first. So with 4 minutes on the NCB Insurance Omni Educator clock, Our Lady of the Angels Prep, we begin with Bible knowledge. Saul was the first king of which nation?
Israel.
Correct. Winward Road Primary. Who was the second king of Israel? Bible knowledge.
David.
Correct. Our Lady, science. Which system in the body provides support and protection for other systems?
Skeletal system. Skeletal system.
Correct. Science to you, Winward Road. Which system in the body helps the body to get rid of wastes and toxins that it doesn't need?
Excretor system.
Excretor system.
Correct. International affairs for Our Lady. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this founder of Apple.
Devon Reed.
Incorrect. Steve Jobs. International affairs to you, Winward Road Primary. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this founder of Microsoft.
Dave Cameron.
Incorrect. Bill Gates. Our Lady, English language. Spell the word desecrate.
E-C-E-C-R-A-T-E.
D-E-C-E-C-R-A-T-E.
Incorrect. D-E-S-E-C-R-A-T-E. English language for Winward Road. Spell the word syndicate.
S-Y-N-D-I-C-A-T-E.
Correct. Our Lady, television. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Johnny Depp.
Incorrect. His name is Johnny Depp. Television to you, Winward Road. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
John Swedenbank.
John Swedenbank.
Incorrect. George Clooney. Our Lady, general knowledge. Which U.S. state is known as a Sunshine State?
Florida.
Correct. General knowledge to you, Winward Road. Which U.S. state is known as the Peach State?
Texas.
Incorrect. Georgia. Our Lady, social studies. In what year was the Jamaica Labour Party founded?
1973.
Incorrect. 1943. Social studies to you, Winward Road. In what year was the People's National Party founded?
1938.
1938.
Correct. Our Lady, music. Which Jamaican gospel artist released the single Holy Ghost Jim?
Devon Carson.
Incorrect. DJ Nicholas. Winward Road, music. Which Jamaican gospel artist released the single If It's Not You, Then Lord It's Nothing?
Romain Virgo.
Incorrect. Kevin Downswell. Our Lady, mathematics. What is 4.1418 rounded to the nearest hundredth?
4.14.
Correct. Winward Road, mathematics. What is 4.4251 rounded to the nearest hundredth?
4.43.
Correct. Our Lady, sports. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this NBA player.
He's for Golden State.
Michael Jordan.
Incorrect. Kevin Durant. Winward Road, sports. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this NBA player.
Clay Thompson.
Clay Thompson.
Correct. And that is the end of section 1. The scores are Winward Road Primary on 6 and Our Lady of the Angels Prep on 4. Before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, get an early start on that class project. Do not wait until the last minute because this will have a negative impact on your performance. Stay with us. This match in round 1 of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz continues after these messages.